guys. Alright guys, so na-miss mo ba yung SpaceX Season 1, yung kanilang launchpad na Season 1? But yes guys, meron na balang pangalawang Season 2 or SpaceX PRE launchpad, pangalawa na to guys. So if you missed the other or the first one, then this is your chance to get in. Okay, so bali ito po yung SpaceX. So yun nga guys, hindi na natin ito patatagalin. Tara na, this is MXC. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are back here at MEXC.com and basically ito yung pinaka-launchpad ng SpaceX or yung PRE. And yun nga guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung na-miss nyo yung Season 1 guys, this is the second season. So pwede nyo siyang i-try out. So may mag-end na yung event in 1 day and 20 hours. So in the time of making this video, ito yung pinaka time nito. So malapit na mag-end. So kailangan nyo nang simulan to guys. So sorry guys kung ngayon ko lang siya na cover guys. But yun nga guys, ito yung pinaka details. Okay? So SpaceX PRE subscription starts, subscription ends, and mag-allocate on this date. Okay? So USDT pool, ito guys. Okay, 1 SpaceX PRE is equals to 130 USDT and 32,000 SpaceX PRE. Okay, ito pa yung mga lang. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe dito, mag-register guys. Again, you can now register on MEXC. Kung wala pa po kayong account, use my link in the description down below. Okay? Yun nga guys. And syempre, meron complete task para, kumbaga, ito yung mga kailangan mong gawin para makapag-participate ka. And syempre, makakuha ka ng mga points dito. And nakalagay dito, complete task to increase your subscription limit up to 200,000 USDT. And basically, ito yung mga kailangan mo dito. Ito yung mga requirements. Ayun yung dito yung Futures Trading Challenge. Ayan, includes all trading pairs with zero fee trade counted. And yun nga guys, kinagandahan dito kay MEXC, ang taas po ng commission dito kay MEXC. And yun nga, syempre, meron dito yung USDT pool and yung USD1 pool. But yun nga guys, dito tayo mag-start kay SpaceX PRE sa USDT pool nila. Ito yung pinakabago, which is new user exclusive, 30% off, and raise limit. And then nga guys, kung i-check natin tong ating community, makikita nyo dito yung at SpaceX. And guys, so Miss SpaceX Season 1, the rocket is back. Last round generated massive market attention. So many users couldn't even secure enough allocation. So ayun nga guys dito, event time May 28 to June 5, magtatapos na siya in 2 days. Yan, syempre new users, all users, and yes, i-check out yun na yan. Nasa description box po ang ating link. And yun nga guys, this is SpaceX PRE from MEXC Launchpad. I'm G's Gaming. Bye-bye.